The Sunda clouded leopard is a medium-sized wildcat native to Borneo and Sumatra. It is listed as vulnerable since 2015 as the total affected population probably consists of fewer than 10,000 mature individuals with a decreasing population trend. On both Sunda Islands, it is threatened by deforestation. It was classified as a separate species distinct from the clouded leopard in the mainland Southeast Asia based on a study in 2006. Its fur is darker with a smaller cloud pattern. The Sunda clouded leopard is overall grayish-yellow or gray color. It has a double midline on the back and is marked with small irregular cloud-like pattern on shoulders. These cloud markings have frequent spots inside and form two or more rows that are arranged vertically from the back on the flanks. It can fur as its hyoid bone is ossified. Its pupil contract to vertical slits. It has a stocky build and weighing around 12 to 26 kilograms. Its canine teeth are 5.1 centimeters long, which in proportion to the skull length are longer than those of any other living cat. Its tail can grow to be as long as its body, aiding balance. The Sunda clouded leopard is restricted to the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. In Borneo, it occurs along rainforests and at lower density in logged forests below 1.5 thousand meters. In Sumatra, it appears to be more abundant in highly mountain areas. It is unknown if it still occurs on the Batu Island close to Sumatra. Between March and August 2005, tracks of clouded leopard were recorded during field research in the Tabin Wildlife Reserve in Sabah. The population size in the 56 square kilometers research area was estimated to be 5 individuals based on the capture-recapture analysis of 4 confirmed animals differentiated by their tracks. The density was estimated at 8 to 17 individuals per 100 square kilometers. The population in Sabah is roughly estimated at 1,500 to 3,200 individuals, with only 275 to 585 of them living in totally protected reserves that are large enough to hold a long-term viable population of more than 50 individuals. Density outside protected areas in Sabah is probably much lower, estimated at 1 individual per 100 square kilometers. In Sumatra, it was recorded in Kerinci Seblat, Gunung Leuser, and Bukit Barisan Selatan National Park. It occurs most probably in much lower densities than on Borneo. One explanation for this lower density of about 1.29 individuals per 100 square kilometers might be that on Sumatra it is sympatric with the Sumatran tiger, whereas on Borneo it is the largest carnivore. Clouded leopard also were excavated on Java, where it perhaps became extinct in Holocene. The habits of Sunda clouded leopards are largely unknown, because of the animal's secretive nature. It is assumed that it is generally solitary. It hunts mainly on the ground and uses its climbing skills to hide from dangers. The population status of Sunda clouded leopards in Sumatra and Borneo has been estimated to decrease due to the forest loss, forest conversion, illegal logging, encroachment, and possibly hunting. In Borneo, forest fires pose an additional threat, particularly in Kalimantan and in the Sabangau National Park. There have been reports of poaching of Sunda clouded leopards in Brunei's Belait districts, where locals are selling their pelts at a lucrative price. In Indonesia, the Sunda clouded leopard is threatened by illegal hunting and trade. Between 2011 and 2019, body parts of 32 individuals were seized, including 17 live individuals, 6 skins, several canines, and claws. One live individual, seized in Jakarta, had been ordered by Kuwaiti buyer. The Sunda clouded leopard is one of the focal cats of the project Conservation of Carnivores in Sabah, based in northeastern Borneo since July 2008. The project teams evaluates the consequences of different forms of the forest exploitation for the abundance and density of felids in 3 commercially used forest reserves. They intend to assist the conservation needs of these felids and develop species-specific conservation action plans together with other researchers and all local stakeholders.